I have a quick, exciting announcement to share with you guys. I made a new knitting pattern. This is the Creative Cardigan, and what makes this one special is that it focuses on customization. You get to choose a sleeve style, choose from a plethora of button bands and cuffs, and all the details are included to confidently alter lengths as well. This one won't be going up on my YouTube channel though, because I actually partnered with CreativeFabrica.com to make a fully comprehensive hour-long knitting course to go along with this pattern. I've mentioned Creative Fabrica before as a great place to buy and sell patterns. Well, they're expanding to offer online classes too, and if everything goes well, I might become a regular among the ranks of their knitting teachers. So, in true YouTuber fashion, Creative Fabrica has given me a special deal for my subscribers. But this one is actually a really good deal, and I'll tell you why. Unlike an Etsy or a Ravelry, Creative Fabrica is a monthly subscription. And when you sign up, you get access to all of the knitting and crochet patterns on their site and all of their classes. They also have fonts, graphics, sewing patterns, cross-stitch, coloring books, worksheets, basically anything digital and crafty, they've got it. And that subscription is $29 a month, which basically you would hit if you bought like 4 patterns in a month from somewhere else. Are you ready for our special deal? You can try this all-access subscription, meaning you get anything you want from their site, for $1 for the first month. So theoretically, you could pay $1, get my pattern and watch the course, and get the other 500 or so patterns on their site. Then after that first month, it's only $19 a month. Of course, you can cancel anytime, even after that first $1 month. Shh. So, if you love this pattern and want it and me babbling about it for an hour, check out the link below and you'll get access to that super special deal just for us. Thanks for sticking around to the end of my little announcement. I've got my new craft room reveal video coming out soon, so if you've been curious about that, it's almost here. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!